But you don't quite. Oop.
Everyone's around.
Sorry. It's so fast. We're almost there. Almost there. Smells nice. Well, those guys are selling that. Yeah, much. Wow. The party too much. When you party hard, kind of except you want a kebab? The kebab there. That's America's kebab. Yeah. Once you're walking all day with them, they're done. That's your leopard short. Like the Veronica's shirt. The whole thing. Your prawn? Oh, it might be 5 by the time we get home. Do you really need to know what time it is? No. On holiday? See, there's a tattoo parlor there. Downstairs. In the club downstairs. Paradise Club. Oh, chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolate.
No, we don't. Look, no one comes this way.
Like someone calling from another planet is asking the question, what is chocolate? And you reply, oh, you can lick chocolate. Yeah, there are great movies that are made with food put on.
Yeah, Sex and the City.
Yeah.
She had put all kinds of sushi all over. And her boyfriend would come and just waiting, laying like that, with sushi all over. And after a while it was starting to slide off.
Yeah.
And she kept waiting. And then in the meantime you could see he was going out, he was out to do the woman, of course. And after waiting a few more hours, she got up and got over to the on the floor. The scene in the Sex and the City.
And you made them rich.
Inside the garden, see us.
It feels too windy. drunk.